Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Kingdoms app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Kingdoms app, or just click here on search, then here add Kingdoms app. It's going to Kingdoms app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on Forcestop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for Disney Magic Kingdoms. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.